I'm Mark Lester Delgado. I'm the chairman of the Tricycle Regulatory Board of San Juan City. So currently we have 12 TODAs in San Juan. Sa 12 TODAs, all in all we have 502 tricycles, no, with franchises in San Juan. Nag-initiate na nga ho itong Barangay Green Hills to help us, no. So they procured electric vehicle type. Current route ho niya, galing ho dito sa Barangay Green Hills, no? Tatawid ho siya to Wilson. Babaybayin po niya Wilson, paikot ng Barangay Addition Hills to PUP San Juan.
So naisip ng kapitan namin na maglagay para sa kumbinyente ng mga constituent namin dito sa Barangay Green Hills. Yung e-trike, pinocure ng barangay para matulungan natin yung ibang tao dahil wala nga means of transportation from Ortigas to Pigibara and sa PUP. Ngayon, ang biyahe namin is from Monday to Saturday from 6 o'clock to ang last trip is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Capacity, mga 8 na tao na nakakasakay.
Ako si Edward M. Ramos. Nag-start ako dyan, January lang. Hanggang sa ngayon. Walang boundary yun. Kami rito sweldoan, monthly. Kinsena sa kakatapusan. Kesa yung magba-boundary ka, gabol ka ng kita mo, highly recommended yun. Kasi safe. Tapos, less pollution. May mga charging station kami dyan. Sa Wilson, sa Washington, saka dyan sa garahe namin sa Eisenhower.
Yung charging station, siyempre, kami ang naglagay. Now, pagdating ng alas 6, so nandun yung 4 in preparation for the following day. China-charge yun ng almost 3 to 4 hours each e-trike. Meron kaming barker. Sa barker sila nagbabayad. Tapos sinasakay sila. Sa ngayon, sa pag-obserba namin, wala naman kami nakikitang may encounter na makakasagabal doon sa biyahe. Ang prospect ng barangay, hindi lang para sa Wilson. Kasi halos marami na sumasakay, hindi na namin masakay yung iba. So, pati siguro in the near future, baka pati sa loob ng mga villages, maglagay kami.
It is received by many na, kumbaga, magandang umpisa when it comes to promoting po yung sustainable public transportation. As well as kami, nakikita namin to na first step, no, towards na ma-experience nung ating mga TODA. Ito yung kaibahan ng pagkakaroon ng electric vehicle in terms of sustainable transportation. Papunta pa lang po kami talaga doon, no? Kasi ang target talaga ni Mayor is for San Juan to be a smart city, no? Actually, we started yung loan for the vehicle fleet, and one of them is the procurement of an electric bus, no, which will be used by the city. And we are eyeing, no, to require yung ating mga parking lots dito sa San Juan to have at least adequate space for electric vehicle charging. Kami sa TRB, ang gusto namin maging purely electric vehicle talaga. No, doon kami papunta, doon kami nakaplano. Maging pilot yung San Juan na we only have 502 tricycles, no? Unlike other LGUs na thousands. So it's very doable here. Again, the mayor initiated na yung kanyang instruction to conduct research of how can the tricycles, the regular tricycles right now, na mag-convert into e-trikes. But again, we just lack the kumbaga, technical capability and knowledge of how do we do this, no? But again, with the help of NGOs like you, so sana maumpisahan na namin. So we really have to plan ng maayos, comprehensive. We want it to be very comprehensive na maayos yung pamamalakad na may mga charging stations, no? Yung loading and unloading zones is clear. Kung may displacement man mangyayari sa ibang tricycle operators, masasagot natin. Walang maiiwan, kumbaga. But we are willing, we are okay with the idea, no? The mayor is very open, very eager and willing magkaroon ho ng sustainable transport dito sa Nuwan.